Okay, so today we're going to talk about converting fractions, decimals, and percents. So a fraction looks like this. It's a number A over B. A decimal looks like this. Point, and then numbers here. And then percents have a percent sign in the back. So converting fractions, decimals, and percents. So to go from fraction to decimal, we do a few things. Divide the numerator by the denominator. So let's say we have 2 over 3. This is the numerator, this is the denominator. We are going to take 3 out here and 2 out here. So 3 does not go into 2, goes into it 0 times. Let's place our decimal here, add a 0 at the end. 3 goes into 20 6 times. So 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract that, you get 2. We're going to have to add another 0, and it's 20 again. So it's going to keep repeating. It's going to be 6 every time. So that is your decimal. Let's make a line down our page. Next one we're going to do is decimal to percent. So let's say we have 0.20. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the decimal. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite as a fraction. And to do that, you've got to remember your place values. So this place value, 20, this is the hundredths place. So if you end at the hundredths place, you drop the decimal and put that over 100. So we would put 20 over 100. To reduce that, you can drop the zeros. It's 2 over 10, and that can go down a little further. You can take a 2 out of both those, and it becomes 1 over 5, and that's the fraction. Let's say we had 0.4. This place is the tenths place. So if that's in the tenths place, we're going to drop the decimal and write 4 over 10 and reduce our fraction. I forgot to write reduce. So that's going to be 2 over 5. Okay, next thing we're going to talk about is taking something from a decimal to a percent. So let's say we had 0.25. First thing that we're going to do, or the only thing that you have to do, is move the decimal 2 places to the right. Then put a percent sign. So we're going to move this 2 places over to the right, and then we're going to put a percent sign behind it, and we're done. It's as easy as that. Taking percent back to decimal, you do the opposite. You're going to move, first you're going to remove the percent sign. Then you're going to put a decimal behind, or decimal in place of the percent. Then move your decimal 2 places to the left. So let's say we have 36%. We're going to take away the percent sign, put 36 decimal, and we're going to move that decimal 2 places to the left. So it's going to be 0.36. Okay, next one. Now if I'm ever going too fast, you just pause it and write what I've written down. We're going to take percent to fraction. Now, let's say we have 75%. First, we're going to put the number over 100 and take away the percent sign. So take the percent out Then we're going to write it over 100. So it's going to look like this. Take the percent sign away, 75, and then put it over 100. Then, of course, reduce fraction. So 75 over 100 is 3 over 4. Next one, or last one, is fraction to percent. So let's say we have 1 over 4. You're first going to convert fraction to a decimal. So we've got to go back to converting a fraction to a decimal. We divide the numerator by denominator. So it's going to be 4 going into 1. So 4 goes into 1 0 times. So we've got to write a decimal here. And add a 0. 4 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus that, it's 2. Bring down another 0. 4 goes into 25 times even. And we're done. So it's 0.25. Next thing we're going to do is move the decimal 2 places to the right, because now we're taking it from a decimal to a percent. So here we're going to move it 2 places to, decimal to percent. We're going to move 2 places to the right. So we're going to take 0.25 and move that to the right, 2 places. And then we're going to put a percent sign. 25%. And you're done. Hope this video helped. Have a great day.